The results of the top finishers of the 2015 New York City Marathon Wheelchair Division are given in the table. Determine whether the data are discrete or continuous, then make a graph. So if we're looking at this, we can see that the numbers are going up at a pretty constant rate. And we have 15 different values here. So we want to determine whether the data will be represented as a bar graph or a histogram. Because the data is continuous, we're going to use a histogram. Because the data are spread over several minutes, group the data by minute. Then tally each interval. Complete the table to determine the frequency of each minute. So we're going to look over here and we want to find the ones that land between 130 and 130.59. Because these are in order, makes it a little bit easier for us to see that. We have two that land in there. 31 to 31.59, there are none there, so that's a 0. 32 is also 0. 33 is also 0. 34, we have 1 that lands in there. 35, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 36, 1, 2. 37, there's none. 38, there's 1. 39, 1, 2, 3. 40, there's 1. None for 41, none for 42, and 1 for 43. Then we use that to make our bar graph. So notice that these ones are the wider bar graphs because this data is continuous, so they can touch when we do that. And we just stack up each number that we put into our frequency table. Then we're going to label the axes for the graph. We're going to label the x-axis as time, hours, minutes, seconds. Label the y-axis as number of racers. And then we title the histogram. So if we go back up to our frequency table up here, we see that this is the top finishers for the 2015 New York City Marathon Wheelchair Division. We don't need to put all of that in there. We can put 2015 top finishers. And you might want to add something about that it is the New York Marathon for the wheelchair division if you feel like it. Describe the histogram. What does it show you about the racers' times? What do the gaps in the graph represent? Write that answer down in your notes and have it ready to go for later.